wave? Just like this. Good job. It's great to see you. Are you ready to learn all about farm animals today? Fantastic. You know, I have a friend who loves to go to the farm. In fact, he's there right now. Shall we say hi? Hi, Bear.
Hi everyone. Hi Jessy. I'm at the farm.
It looks like Bear's already having so much fun at the farm. We'll check in with him a little bit later. But first, I have with me today a very special wooden box. And there are farm animals hiding inside this special wooden box. Shall we have a look and see who's in there? The first thing we need to do is knock. Can you get your knocking hand ready? Knock, knock, knock. Can you try that with me? Knock, knock, knock. Good job. It still won't open. We might have to say, open. Can you try that with me? Open. It worked. Let's see the first animal hiding inside the special wooden box. It's a cow. This cow is black and white. The cow says moo. What does the cow say? The cow says moo. Let's take a look at these cows and see what they're up to. Wow, those cows were really big. They must really love to eat grass. Should we take another look inside and see who else is hiding in the special brown box? Let's get those knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Can we try that again? Knock, knock, knock. Open. Good job. Let's have a look. The next animal hiding inside the special brown box is... It's a horse. This horse is brown. The horse says, neigh, neigh. What does the horse say? The horse says, neigh, neigh. Let's take a look at some real horses now. Wow, those horses were galloping so fast in the paddock. It's time to take another look and see who else is hiding in the special brown box. Knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. You're getting really good at that. Who's hiding? It's a pig. This pig is pink. The pig says, what does the pig say? The pig says, let's take a look at some real pigs now and see what they're up to. Those cute pigs were sleeping in the mud. It looked really peaceful, didn't it? It's time to see, once more, who's hiding inside our special wooden box. Knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Good job. The next animal hiding inside the box is... It's a sheep. The sheep is white. The sheep says, bah, bah. What does the sheep say? The sheep says, bah, bah. Let's take a look and see what these sheep are doing. Wow, that was a lot of sheep, wasn't it? It's time to take another look inside the wooden box. Get those knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Good job. The next animal hiding inside the special wooden box is a dog. This dog is black. I wonder if there are any dogs at the farm where Bear is. Let's take a quick look. Wow, there are dogs at the farm today with Bear. Did you see those dogs? I noticed they were making a sound. Can you tell me, what does the dog say? You're right, the dog says woof 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 woof. Let's take another look at some real dogs. Did you like those fluffy white dogs playing in the snow? They were very cute, weren't they? It's time to take another look inside the box. Knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. The next farm animal hiding inside the box is... It's a cat. This cat is white. He has black and brown spots. The cat says, meow, meow. What does the cat say? The cat says, meow, meow. Good job. Let's see if we can find some more cats. Oh, that cat was having a lovely rest at home, wasn't he? There are 2 more animals hiding inside the special wooden box. It's time to see who else is in there. Knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Good job. The next animal hiding in the box is... It's a chicken. This chicken has orange feathers. The chicken says, bok, 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 bok. What does the chicken say? The chicken says, bok, 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 bok. I wonder if Bear can see some chickens at the farm today. Let's check. There were lots of chickens where Bear is today, weren't there? I wonder if we can see some more real chickens. Oh, those chickens were eating some yummy scraps. Okay, there's 1 more farm animal hiding inside our special wooden box. Should we knock and say open and find out who our last friend is? Get those knocking hands ready. Knock, knock, knock. Open. Seems to be stuck. We're going to have to do it again. Knocking hands ready. Let's make it a really good knock. Knock, knock, knock. Okay, let's say open really, really loud. Open! Ah, it worked. Good job. The last animal hiding inside the box is... It's a duck. This duck has brown feathers and an orange beak. The duck says, quack, 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 quack. What does the duck say? The duck says, quack, 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 quack. Let's take a look and see what these ducks are up to. Wow, those ducks were floating peacefully on the water, weren't they? Great job today, guys. We found out all of the animals hiding inside the special brown box. Let's go and check on Bear and see who he has found at the farm today. Can you help me find some of the farm animals in this picture? Can you find the cow? That's right. This is the cow. The cow is in the corner. Can you find the horse? Well done. This is the horse. The horse is in front of the bush. Can you find The sheep? Good job. The sheep is jumping over the bush. Can you find the pig? Well done. This is the pig. The pig is next to the tree. Can you find the ducks? There they are. The ducks are behind the bush. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 ducks hiding behind the bush. Can you find the chicken? There she is. The chicken is on the nest. Well done. Thanks, everyone. We've learnt about so many different farm animals today, and you have done such a great job with all of your animal sounds. Before we say goodbye, let's sing a song all about farm animals. If you know it, you can sing along.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a
Chicken.
E-I-E-I-O, with a buck buck here and a buck buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
It looks like our friend Bear is back from the farm. Hi, Bear.
Hi Jessie, hi everyone.
Did you have a good day at the farm today?
I had such a wonderful time at the farm.
Well, that is so nice to hear. You know, Bear, we've been doing lots of learning about farm animals and the different sounds that they make today.
Me too.
Really? Well, in that case, maybe you can tell us. What does a cow say?
Moo.
You're right, a cow does say moo. And what about a horse? What does a horse say? Oh, well, Bear, that's a really good try, but a horse does not say buck, 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 buck. A chicken says buck, 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 buck. Don't worry though, maybe our friends at home can help you. Can you tell Bear, what does a horse say? That's right, a horse says neigh. Can you try that, Bear?
Neigh.
Perfect, good job. Well, it looks like Bear and I need to do a little bit more learning on farm animals and the sounds that they make. Thank you so much for joining us on our learning adventures today. We had such a great time and we'll see you next time. Can you say bye, Bear?
Bye Bear.